So, at the beginning of every class, the first thing you'll do is sign in. Here we can see in the classwork page, you will go to Lesson Sign In, click on this link here, and click on this Google form, which will open up. And then just simply enter your surname, then onto your first name, mistake there, and the date, and then just select the period that you're in and click submit, and you have officially logged on to class. So next we're going to be looking at the online workbook. This can be found under Unit Resources Shattered, so click on the link here. This will come up. You're going to click View Assignment, but for this mine doesn't look the same, so I'm going to show you yours will look like this. You will click on this button under Your Work, and this will take you to your online resource ready to roll. So beginning the first task. So today's learning objective is to understand how art movements can inspire our artwork and to use art elements to describe a movement. So let's scroll down to our instruction page here. For every lesson there'll be an instructional video which you can find down here in the tutorials. So now we'll just scroll down. These are the questions you're going to answer. And now begin the presentation in which you'll find all your answers. So, Pablo Picasso was born in Spain in 1881. He was known as a painter, a sculptor, a printmaker, a ceramicist, and a stage designer. He was regarded as one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. He is known for co-founding the Cubist movement, which began in 1907 alongside fellow artist George Braque. Both Picasso and Braque were inspired by native African sculptures and by the artist Paul Cézanne, who said that nature should be thought of in terms of basic shapes. Picasso's paintings during this Cubist movement were made up of strikingly disjointed geometrical shapes and bold contour lines. This specific way of constructing art contributed to a radical restructuring of how art was viewed and created forever. Picasso's works during this period focused on splintering and shattering subject matter such as the human form, landscapes, and found objects. By shattering objects in this manner into multifaceted pieces, Picasso caused the subject matter to appear partially abstracted, flattened, and fragmented, as if reflected in a shattered mirror. So now, moving on to task 2. So for task 2, you'll just scroll down to slide 6 on your online workbook. So for this task, we're going to look at Picasso's Seated Woman, which utilises the shattering process. This is a simple task that you would just list the art element that the box is pointing to. Like so, here we can see in the example, I've noticed Picasso using tone. So next we just list 2 words that describe how the art element tone appears in the artwork, and to me the tone appears murky and dull. So all you need to do is just complete the other 3 boxes on this page, and that is all for today. Well done guys, thank you.